Hey Click Designers, in this video, I'll show you how you can create scroll-stopping Instagram posts that get more likes and comments, plus boost your brand engagement, just like what you see here on the screen. We will be using ClickDesigns Done For You template, so let's get started and I'll show you how fast we can create one. First, let's log in to our ClickDesigns account, and then right after that, let's click on Templates. Then let's scroll to the right, and then let's look for the Marketing menu. Click on Marketing, and then right after that, click on the Instagram submenu here, the second one, there. On the left side, let's click on Instagram Square Posts, and then all the templates with the Square Posts will load. Let's select this template right here. Let's click on Preview, and let's take a look. If you think this template suits your category or your niche, or if you like this template, let's close this preview dialog, let's hover over and click on Use Template. Let's type our design title, and then click on Continue. Let's zoom it out a little bit, so let's minimize the canvas size, and we will be changing the logo. So I'm going to delete the existing logo, and I'm going to upload a logo from my local drive. So this is the logo that we've created on ClickDesigns earlier, and I just downloaded it into my local drive. Now that I've placed the logo right here, which is my new logo for my gym, I'm going to remove this text, and I'm going to change the tagline. So let's go to the text box, let's edit the text, and let's type our new tagline right here. And let's make it 2 lines. There you go. Let's align it to the left, move it a little bit there, and then let's type in, or let's choose our new font style. So after aligning it to the left and choosing our font style, now what we're going to do is we're going to adjust the size of the font and of course the placing and the alignment. So we're just making some final tweaks and final touches to the font style. And then we've added a new text layer below. Now, after that, we are going to paste or type in the text that we would like, or our subheadline. And then we are going to change the font family as well. Okay, after that, we can change the font size, make it a little bit bigger. After that, let's select these 2 text layers so that we can adjust both their sizes equally. Okay, there you go. And then let's move this a little bit on top. Then it's time to adjust or change the discount that we're giving off. Let's make it 40%. Let's click on Align Horizontal Center so that we can fix the alignment. And let's update the URL on the template. Let's type in our website URL. There you go. And then right after that, let's make some final tweaks. Let's click on Export when we're done making the changes. And then right after that, let's save it into our local drive. After downloading, don't forget to click on Save so that we can save our work before we click on Exit. And once it's done saving, you can go ahead and click on Exit and go back to your dashboard. Then you will see all the designs that you've created, including our new square post for Instagram right here. See how quick that was? That's how you can customize your own Instagram posts for your business using the Done For You templates of ClickDesigns in minutes. Go ahead and make one yourself. Happy click designing!